I was addicted to opioids for almost 8 years. It started with prescription painkillers. Then it turned into something I couldn't control. Every time I tried to quit, the withdrawal was unbearable. I always relapsed just to make the pain stop.
The hardest part of overcoming opioid addiction isn't just the willpower. It's the agonizing physical withdrawal and the intense, lingering cravings that pull you back in. What if there was a medical treatment that could bypass the severe withdrawal phase and physically reset your brain's dependency in a matter of days? Today, we are exploring how medical ibogaine treatment in Mexico is breaking the cycle of opioid addiction. While ibogaine is unavailable in the US and Canada due to its Schedule Y status, Mexico has become the global epicenter for this life-saving treatment. Top-tier Mexican clinics combine the legal freedom to administer ibogaine with rigorous, hospital-grade medical protocols, offering North Americans a safe, highly accessible bridge to recovery. Ibogaine isn't a one-size-fits-all pill. It requires precise medical administration tailored to the specific opioid being used. The ibogaine flood dose is designed to flood the brain's receptors, drastically reducing or completely eliminating acute opioid withdrawal symptoms within 45 minutes. For patients on long-acting opioids, clinics provide a medically supervised transition to short-acting opiates for a few weeks prior to the flood dose. Smaller follow-up doses are administered days after the flood dose to manage residual cravings and prolong the brain's neuroplasticity phase. Opioids hijack the brain's dopamine and serotonin receptors. Ibogaine works by resetting these neural pathways to a pre-addicted state while blocking opiate receptors, preventing painful withdrawal symptoms. Traditional inpatient rehab in the US can cost upwards of $30,000 to $50,000 and often relies on substitute opioids like Suboxone. In Mexico, a comprehensive, medically supervised Ibogaine Detox package ranges from $6,000 to $12,000 USD. These all-inclusive medical packages ensure you are safe and supported before, during, and after the treatment. Choosing a medically vetted clinic is a matter of life and death.